Hey loves, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are ready for this video. We came on here with a clean beat, clean hair, and we are ready to get this video started. Today we're going to be working with OMG her hair, and I'm pretty excited for this one because I have seen what this wig looks like on people, and I'm also eager to see what it looks like on me. So the first thing I usually do whenever I am unboxing hair product is I like to show you guys what you get, what comes in the package. Now in here we do have the wig over here, and it does come with a couple of accessories. Let me just take this out of here. We do have the melting band, the branded melting band by OMG her hair. We also have this rat tail comb as well, and we also have this HD wig cap, and lastly we have a thank you card, basically. Then show you why we are here. Now we do get this drawstring, which is amazing because it makes storing your wigs so easy, because you can just pop your wig in here and lock it up and store it, basically. So in here we have the wig in here. Oh, we do have more things. Oh, this is the 3D dome wig cap. Okay, now this right here is their 3D dome wig cap. It is a new technology, it's a new invention in the hair game. So this is what the 3D dome wig cap looks like, and again it does have a HD lace, and the wig cap is also like a mesh breathable cap. You do have the silicone grip that helps in gripping onto your hair, and an elastic band to help secure it. Now these combs comes in this Velcro form. You can remove it and snap it back on if you want, so it's easy to use, feels comfortable. Guys, this feels so comfortable and it feels so snug. I feel like it's not aligned properly, but it's just so comfortable and so snug. I'm gonna tighten this. You can tighten this with a drawstring if you want. Look at how the dome cap literally melts onto my forehead. And this wig cap also has a C-shaped design around the ear, making it very comfortable. It's not lifting, it is perfect. I could shift this back, but this is typically how I would wear my wig. Yeah, look at that. This is the wig that we're going to be working with. This is how the wig came in. This one is in 20 inches. It's a highlight wig. It's a light YAKI, and it's 180% density. So this is what the hair looks like. So this right here is a relaxed YAKI with highlight. I don't know if you guys can see the highlight. Now this came in a 3D, let me take this off. Now this came in their new 3D dome cap, as you can see, and it also came in a 8x6 closure, so you do have a lot of parting space. I'm gonna put this on so we can both see like first impression, but I wanted you guys to have a look at the wig construction. Now the wig did come pre-cut as well, and I can see that there is a drawstring right here. I've never seen this before, but this is a new one. So the whole construction is new. We have some combs at the sides, and these ones are also detachable. It is a Velcro comb, so you can take this off and put it back if you want it. So it's easy to use, easy to install, it's beginner friendly, it's comfortable. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead to quickly put this on. This drawstring. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the box without doing anything. I feel like I need to still tighten this a bit. I don't know if I'm a fan of this drawstring or if I prefer the normal elastic band. Let me just secure this properly. And again, this is in 180% density, and it's 20 inches, and this is how long it is. So I'm going to go ahead to just quickly style this hair. I want to blend the lace to my skin and see how it would look. What I like to do is to use my contour powder. I say this all the time. I like to use a shade that is the same shade that I'll typically use on my forehead. Just take a little bit of that and then use that to just blend it in, so that way the lace kind of blends into my skin and into my makeup as well. You can use your foundation, you can use your powder, you can use whatever product you use to tint the lace to get it looking right. I'm going to just cut off this excess lace right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead to style this unit. I'm gonna use my wax stick. So I saw this hack online and I quickly want to try it out. And I'm just gonna put this on. It's supposed to help with like heat, so that way can press it down and not worry about like getting burnt. Not bad, but this would only work for like a closure like this, where you don't have to melt it down, so that way you can easily slip this into it. I'm just going to keep on pressing it down. Let me take this off. So this hair is supposed to be a straight yaki, but just because of how it was shaped, you can see like a little bit of denting, curling, crimping. And to be honest with you, I feel like curling it would definitely be a look. But because I want to show you guys what the natural state of the hair is supposed to be like, which is straight, I'm going to straighten this up. But again, in case you're thinking, can you curl this hair? Yes, you can. See the waves, see the curls, and it looks beautiful. I think I'm going to prefer this to straightening it out, but let me straighten it out before I form my conclusion. I like the subtle brown highlights. It's not too overwhelming, it's not too overpowering, and it looks good. This is what the hair looks like right now. I just straightened it out and it looks so good. It looks so good. Like the highlights, the texture, the blend, the lace, the way I styled it. I didn't really style it, but it does look really good. So I'm gonna just take I want to use a little bit of concealer just to further define the part a little bit more. I feel like I don't even need to do this because the way the part is defined, I kind of like it. But I'm gonna just use a little bit, just a little bit. I don't want anything too crazy, and just go over it with some concealer. I'm being so careful not to touch the hair. I just want to touch the lace and the roots of the hair. And that looks so good already. I hate it when it's too, so I just like to just run over it with my finger so it's not too harsh. You don't want any harsh lines. And this right here is the finished look. and I absolutely love this. I went ahead to straighten this hair out, apply a little bit of concealer to define the parts, and that's basically all that we did to this. And this is how this hair comes. This hair is their relaxed YAKI or the light YAKI with highlights. It did come in their 3D dome cap, and it has an 8x6 closure. Guys, this is where the closure, let me show you guys, it's pretty much like a frontal in my opinion, because I can decide to style this hair like this. Can we see this? Like, can we see this? We can style this hair like this, take it to the back, and you would not even know. This is how deep it goes. So we're just like about 1 inch away from being a frontal. I want to show you guys from this side. This right here is where the closure ends. Like, it is so crazy, because with this you pretty much get like the frontal experience without the frontal stress. So with the 3D dome cap, it's pretty much contoured to my forehead. I'm going to show you guys what the cap looks like right here, so you can see what that looks like compared to the wig. But this is what the wig looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. This is what the texture looks like. It is 180% density, and it is 20 inches long. So you do get a lot of length and volume at the same time, with a lot of ease, comfort, because it is comfortable on the head, and security as well. Little to no work, and you're looking fabulous. Again, I'll leave all the links in the description box so you guys can check it out if you are interested. Thank you so much, OMG Hair, for sending me this gorgeous unit. As always, your hair rocks, beautiful. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you stay blessed and you stay fabulous. Bye guys.